Assalamualaikum and welcome to our channel. Today we are exploring the historic city of Faisalabad, formerly known as Layalpur. We are starting with an iconic landmark, the Clock Tower. Let's dive into its history and significance. Built in 1905 during the British era, this clock tower stands tall in the heart of Faisalabad. It was named after Sir James Lyall, the Lieutenant Governor of Punjab. The tower's architecture is a blend of Gothic and Islamic styles, reflecting the city's cultural heritage. The clock tower is 130 feet high with a staircase leading to the top of a panoramic view of the city. The clock's mechanism is still intact and it is amazing to see how it has withstood the test of time. The clock tower is surrounded by a bustling bazaar which has been in operation since the early 20th century. This area is a hub of commercial activity with shops selling everything from textiles to spices. As the sun sets, the clock tower takes on a magical quality, with its lights shining brightly into the night. It is a reminder of the city's rich history and its ability to adapt to changing times. That is for today's vlog. The clock tower of Faisalabad is a must visit for anyone interested in history, architecture and culture. Join us next time as we explore more monuments from the Layalpur era. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content.